Hello student, this is your experiment number 12, that is to study morphological and microscopical characteristics of Nux vomica seed. Now in this practical we are going to see about the morphological and microscopical characteristics and adulterants of this drug Nux vomica seed. Okay, so here you can see this is a Nux vomica seed diagram has given. Here this is a morphology and here this is the TS of the Nux vomica seed. Okay. Now what is the synonym of this drug? That is, it is also called as a kuchala or kuchla or vishamushti. What is the biological source of this drug? That it consists of dried ripe seeds of Strychnus nux vomica belonging to family Loganiaceae. It contains not less than 1.2% strychnine. Now here morphology is given or macroscopy is given, that color is grey or greenish grey, odor is odorless, taste is extremely bitter. Extra features: the surface of the seed is silky, radially arranged, densely covered, closely appraised, unicellular lignified covering trichomes are present on the seed surface. Seeds are extremely hard and weight of 100 seeds is about 120 to 208 gram. Okay, here you can see this is the seed of the Nux vomica. Okay, now here you can see the color of the seed is grayish or greenish gray or gray color is there. Then it is odorless, extremely bitter. Here you can see the surface of the seed is very shining due to or silky. It is due to the presence of the trichomes which are present on the seed coat. Okay. These trichomes which are present in the Nux vomica seed is unicellular lignified covering trichomes are there. Okay. Now here you can see this is the cavity from the other side of the seed. Then it is having a testa part near this. Okay. Okay. Here you can see this is the micropyle. You can see the lining over here which is called as a micropyle. Okay, and at the center there is a hilum. Okay, यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो एक line दिख रहा है which is called as a micropyle and one smaller projection is there. Okay, and at the center it is having a hilum. Okay, below that it is having a testa region, and the externally the outer surface it is having a endosperm. Okay, so now I will show you how to take the TS of this drug, and you have to do the staining and observe under the microscope. Okay, so for that I have taken a sample which is already boiled one. Okay, the Nux vomica seeds, they are very hard in nature that we cannot cut it directly when it is dried. So you have to boil it for longer period and then you have to take the TS of this seed. Okay, so for taking TS I have taken slide, cover slip, then dropper, needle, boiled sample and water in the another watch glass. Okay, now I will show you how to take the TS. Like this, at the center you have to take the TS of the seed. Okay, always while taking TS you have to moist the sample. You have to take the TS from the center of the seed. Here you can see I have taken the TS of the drug Nux vomica seed. Okay, now I will put it in the fluoroglycinol HCl solution for the staining. Here you can see I just put the sample TS in the fluoroglycinol HCl solution. Okay, now you have to observe the under the microscope. Here you can see this is the TS of this seed Nux vomica. Okay, here you can see these are the trichomes. Okay, and I have stained this TS with the fluoroglycinol HCl which stains the lignified xylem and medullary rays which are present in the seed. Okay, here you can see this is the dark pink color which contains this xylem region, and medullary rays which shows the pink color. Okay, this is the seed coat, and above the seed coat there is a trichomes are present. Okay, now here you can see at the center of the seed there is a space between the seed. Okay, here you can see this is the endospermic region which contains the endosperm and aileron grains and plasma desmata and oil globules. Okay, here you can see clearly the cells which are present in the TS of the Nux vomica seed. Okay, I will explain you the TS now. Okay, here you can see this is the macroscopy or morphology of the Nux vomica seed. Okay, this is the seed. At the center you can see a small raised portion which I have already showed you. Okay, which is called as a hilum. Then from the hilum one reaches to the micropyle. Okay, एक line आपको दिखेगा which is called as a ridge on the testa, and one projection is there to the one side of the seed which is called as a micropyle. Okay, the margin of the seed is rounded and somewhat acute, and the seed is covered with the hairy surface. Okay, here you can see the LS of TS has given endosperm region is there. At the center there is a cavity, and to the micropyle region there is a cotyledon and radicle is present. Okay, now here I will explain you the TS of the seed. Okay, so to take that TS of the seed from the center of the seed, in this seed you will observe two parts that is called as the testa and endosperm. Okay, this is a endosperm region. Now here you can see these are the lignified covering trichomes which are present on the outer surface or coating of the Nux vomica seed. Now these trichomes, they are thick-walled, bent and twisted lignified trichomes and emerge from the epidermis layer and parallel in one direction. मतलब यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो कि ये जो hairs है, trichomes है, वो कैसे arrange है. They are parallel to each other and they are very closely arranged to each other. Okay, the length of this trichome is 600 to 1000 micron. Diameter is about 25 micron. Okay, below that you will have a epidermal cells. Okay, here you can see these are the epidermal cells, external layer, which is single layer forms lignified trichomes. Large thick walled with oblique linear pits are present. That means the base of this covering trichome, they are embedded in the epidermal cell layer. Okay, then collapsed parenchyma. Below epidermal layer there is a collapsed parenchyma cells are present here only. Okay, and which is present in the seed coat. Then endosperm region, this is a blue colored has shown which is a endosperm region. In endosperm region, thick walled cellulosic parenchymatous cells are present. Cells show hemicellulose in the cell wall and for different characteristics like plasmodesma, then aileron grains and oil globules are present in the endospermic region. Now endosperm region, the plasmodesma is a fine protoplasmic strands between the walls of the endospermic cells. Here you can see these are the endospermic cells. These endospermic cells, they are joined to each other with the strands which are called as a plasmodesma. Okay. Now here it contains aileron grains also about 30 micron in diameter. Only globoids are present. Okay, यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो 30 micron size के aileron grains present है and oil globules are present in the endosperm region of this Nux vomica seed. Now these oil globules, they contains fixed oil, okay, as a small oil droplets in the cells. Okay, so I have showed you in the TS how the oil globules are present in the TS. Okay, here you can see the powder characteristics has given. When you check the powder of this Nux vomica seed, you will observe this type of cells. Polygonal cells are present. In that oil globules are present. Okay, these are the trichomes. Lignified covering trichomes are present in the Nux vomica seed. Okay. Now what are the chemical constituents which are present in the Nux vomica seed? That is alkaloid. Okay, it contains 2.5 to 5% strychnine, strychnine and brucine. as a alkaloids, and other chemical constituents are glycosides, that is loganin and fixed oil 2 to 4%, and proteins are present in this drug. Secondly, it is having different uses like bitter, stomachic, spinal cord stimulant, and nerve tonic. Okay, allied drugs for this naxomic acid is Ignatius beans, that is Strychnus ignati bug, and Strychno swilliciniana. Adulterants of this drug is Strychnus potatorum seeds and Strychnus nux blanda. The marketed preparations of this drug is Nux vomica, liquid extracts, prepared Nux vomica, and tincture Nux vomica. Here you can see the procedure which is given for taking the TS of the sample, which I already showed you. You have to boil the sample before taking the TS, as the seeds of the Nux vomica acid are very hard. Okay, now I showed you the staining also. The TS plus fluoroglucinol HCl you have to take. The pink color will be given to the lignified xylem and medullary rays which are present in the seed coat of the Nux vomica seed. ओके तो जहाँ पे ट्राइकोम्स प्रेजेंट है उसके नीचे ही द बेस ऑफ द ट्राइकोम्स दे आर एम्बेडेड इन द xylem cells of this Nux vomica seed. Okay, secondly you have to take the TS plus iodine solution which gives blue color to the starch which is present in the endospermic region, and third one is the TS plus Sudan red 3 which gives red color, and oil globules will get the red color due to present which are present in the cells of the endospermic region. Okay, now this is the observation table which is given for macroscopy and staining. Color, odor, taste, extra features, surface you have to write. Then you have to write the staining agents. Here you are using TS plus fluoroglucinol HCl, iodine plus TS plus Sudan red. Okay, 3 staining agents you are using here. And the conclusion is the given sample of the crude drug is found to be Nux vomica seed. Okay, thank you.